Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2014 Dodge Journey RT and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Journey is equipped with heated mirrors and they are not working. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. In case this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now the fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin under the glove box. It's gonna be right here. I will first try to remove the cover. Okay. On top of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. Now to remove the cover, it's gonna be in this position. You just want to kind of pull it down with your thumb. Just unclip it here, right? Unclip it and then pull it down and remove it. And here you have access to all of the fuses. I will just turn the flash on my phone. And there in the corner, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Now you want to check fuse number F17, which is a red 10 amp fuse located up here. Now in case this fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper, but first thing I would check the wiring behind the rubber sleeves on both front doors. So I will show you to check these wires here. Quite often they will crack just from opening and closing the door, and that will cause heated mirrors not to work. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.